Hey, my name is Tucker Kraus, and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be doing another uranium stock update. Now, I know it's been a while since I've got out any actual videos, but that's because I've been working on graduating 2 years early, and so, of course, I've been a little busy just finishing up courses. Though, I'm basically all done now, and so I should be able to get out videos on a more regular basis to you guys from here on out. So, let's get into the charts. First up here, we have URNM. We can see here we did manage to break out up to the upside here, and we did manage to get up to about $95 before we hit our head, and we sold off hard, down about $20 from that recent high, and we are now below both the 50 and 200-day moving average. And we have seen the RSI come down quite a bit here as well. Alright, and then to look at SPUT here, we can see we managed to break out of this pattern a few months back. We managed to shoot up, bonked our head here, came back down, and so we have some support here about in the 1585 area where we're at now, because we came back up, broke through, and like URNM, we just, sold hard right down after that, and we kind of bounced back off that support line. So from here, as long as we don't fall below this support line, we should be okay. And while though I should note we are below the 50-day moving average, though above the 200-day. And the RSI has come down quite a bit now too, though it is starting to stabilize. Anyways, let's get into the stock intros. Alright, so from largest to smallest, we got NexGen Energy, UEC, Denison Mines, Global Atomic, Boss Energy, Fission Uranium, UR Energy, Lotus Resources, Deep Yellow, Bannerman Energy, GoviEx Uranium, UEX, Peninsula Energy, Forsys Metals, and Blue Sky Uranium. Alright, before we go any further, do note that only about a quarter of you guys who are out there watching are actually subscribed. So, if you're not subscribed, it's free. It just takes one click. It helps out the channel a whole lot. If you could do that, go click that button right now, subscribe. Now let's continue into the video. Not going to waste more of your time. Alright, so here we got price per pound, and because a lot of these stocks, as we went over earlier, have sold off pretty hard, we do actually see that a lot of the price per pound here is pretty good now. We're seeing a lot of stocks here now below $1 per pound or $2 per pound. So in the green here, this is all really good. We've got Global Atomic with $2.06, and then Blue Sky $1.48 per pound, $1.37 for Deep Yellow, $1.31 for Bannerman, 95 cents for UEX, 83 cents for Forsys, and 80 cents for GoviEx. All really good here, especially UEX, Forsys, and GoviEx. And then I would say Peninsula as the one yellow here, because above $5 I don't really like at all, and so Peninsula in the middle here I would say with $3.17 price per pound. Then we see the rest of these, I would say, are still quite high. We see $5.63 for Fission, then $6.83 for Lotus, $6.95 for Denison, $7.08 for NexGen, $8.96 for Boss, $10.66 for UR Energy, and $11.82 for UEC. Alright, so let's now move into their fair values themselves. And so I should note this is going to use $80 spot price. The CapEx and OpEx inflation is 50%, and there is a 10% discount rate. So when we look at it, Blue Sky Uranium, Peninsula Energy, Fission, Denison, and Forsys all really strong with over 100% upside when it comes to just their fair value. And we see NexGen, Global Atomic, UR Energy, and GoviEx all pretty good here, with that are all undervalued, though not as high as 100% or more. All pretty decent here. And then we see a little bit overvalued here with Lotus, Boss, Bannerman, and Deep Yellow, and grossly overvalued here with UEX and UEC. Now, once again, I should note, like always, I'm not saying that, Deep Yellow, for example, is a bad buy, because, of course, all these companies are probably going to overshoot their fair values in a uranium bull market. Well, we're already in one, as, of course, that's why these guys have overshot it. And so I'm not saying that I expect these guys to come down, like Deep Yellow, I'm not expecting it to come down to 37 cents. At least, as the top, but I'm saying that, there are some things that might point to some of these companies being a little, better buys at the moment compared to some of these companies. So, of course, there's a whole bunch of different things that go into it, like share structure, management, all these sorts of things. And yeah, I think that's going to be the end of the video. Overall, we could start seeing some buying opportunities here now that we've come down quite a bit, and the news has just come out that SPUT didn't actually get their NYSE listing. SEC has declined to review it, so we might see this sell-off continue, as some people maybe panic sell on that news, but of course that doesn't break the thesis or anything. But of course, do your own research and all that good stuff, and so once again, please subscribe, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.